For years, methadone helped people kick a dangerous drug habit, but now methadone itself is becoming a major problem. The feds say that methadone-related deaths jumped to more than 3,800 in 2004. That is up from about 780 in 1999. And the number of people admitted for methadone treatment jumped as well to more than 3,700 in 2005. Now, that's nearly 4 times the number 10 years earlier. The irony is that methadone was supposed to help people get off heroin. But the real trouble started when doctors began prescribing it for something else. Joe Vasquez on what makes methadone more dangerous than other drugs.
This is not right. It's not right. He should be here.
Karen Lasridge says her brother, Mike Kennedy of San Jose, was too young to die. Last year, an overdose on methadone claimed his life at the age of 41.
Now, I know it's supposed to be a wonderful medication, but it can kill you. That is the bottom line of this medication.
While the drug usually brings to mind a pink liquid used to wean addicts off heroin,
5 methadone tabs.
In recent years, more and more doctors are prescribing methadone pills as pain medication, which means more people have access to the drug.
It's predominantly in the suburbs.
Dr. Alex Stalcup runs an addiction clinic in Lafayette.
You take it into your system and it stays on the pain line for a long time.
Dr. Stalcup says methadone causes problems because it stays in your system much longer than other pain pills, 12 hours or longer.
If you take a second dose, all of the first dose is still in your system. So the second dose goes twice as high. You're well into the overdose range, and now you have an overdose, and you're dead.
An extra dose of methadone can prove fatal. So can mixing it with other drugs. That's what happened to Anna Nicole Smith's son, Daniel, according to his autopsy report. As for what killed his mom, the coroner is still waiting for toxicology results. Meanwhile, the Medical Board of California has launched a review into whether a doctor improperly prescribed methadone to Anna Nicole.
Mixing methadone with Vicodin, methadone with codeine, methadone with Demerol. Any of the short-acting opiates can kill you if you add them to methadone.
Family members of victims are now raising awareness about the dangers of methadone. Some are even calling for congressional hearings.
These doctors, pharmacies, the patients taking it, they need to know that exactly what they're getting themselves into.
In Lafayette, Joe Vasquez, CBS 5 News.
The FDA issued a warning in November to all physicians saying misuse of the drug could lead to breathing problems and possible death.